Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have faced at some point. Picture this. You're working on your computer, in a zone, typing away, and then suddenly, the screen goes blank. Yes, the infamous black screen problem. It can be quite frustrating, interrupting your workflow, and leaving you scratching your head. But fret not, because today we have a solution for this pesky issue. In this scenario, the solution comes in a form of tweaking the settings of your computer. By adjusting the power settings and disabling the fast startup option, you can potentially bid farewell to the black screen problem once and for all. It's a simple yet effective solution that can work wonders in preventing those random screen blackouts. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into the solution. By accessing the power options in your computer's control panel, you can navigate to the Choose what the Power Buttons Do section. From there, you'll find the Change Settings that are currently unavailable option, which will lead you to the Fast Startup setting. Simply uncheck this option, save the changes, and voila! You've tackled the black screen problem head-on. In summary, encountering a black screen problem can be a real headache, but with the right adjustments to your computer's power settings, you can wave goodbye to this annoyance. So, next time your screen decides to play hide and seek, remember this simple solution. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and comment below with your own tech troubleshooting stories. Until next time, stay safe and tech savvy.